guys! Today I'm going to read one of my favorite kinds of books. It's an Elephant and Piggie book. I just love Elephant and Piggie so much. This one is called There is a Bird on Your Head. There is a bird on your head. Oh, and there's the thing. I wonder how it's going to change at the end of the book, because Mo Willems, the author of Elephant and Piggie, he always changes the very last couple pages of his book. There's a bird on your head. Oh, they're just sitting there, hanging out. Here comes a bird. Oh, it landed on Elephant's head. Piggie! Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Would you be scared if there was a bird on your head? I would think it was pretty cool. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Oh, do you see what's coming though? Now there are two birds on your head. Look at his face. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. Got a little heart. Look at his face. Oh no. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Look at Piggie. Piggie is so happy. Oh, look at his face. I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Oh, Piggie's looking closer. 1, 2, 3. Piggie's happy, but Elephant is not happy at all. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. Wonder what the good news is. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching! Oh no. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Piggie is crying. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Oh no, the poor birds, they're going everywhere. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Oh, Piggie's on the ground. Ask them? Ask them! Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? I hope they listen. He asked very nicely. No problem. It worked! Bye! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Oh no, what happened to Piggie? Piggie has the birds on his head now. Oh, and there's the end pages. They are different. Now it's just a bunch of birds with the baby birds. The end. I like that book. Elephant and Piggy books are so funny. All right, guys. See you later.